Hey guys, it's Catfish, back with another video. And y'all know I'm down in Memphis for Scary Fast 2. But I would have been remiss if I didn't come to my favorite Mercedes-Benz dealership in the world. Mercedes-Benz of Collierville, Tennessee. It's about 20 minutes from downtown Memphis, man. My people show me love every time I come, man. I'm gonna show you where I'm at. And then I'm gonna show you what they got on the showroom floor. It's some serious heat in there, boy. Y'all see where I'm at? Y'all see old girl right there, sitting right in the front of Mercedes-Benz of Collierville in Collierville, Tennessee. It's one of the largest Mercedes-Benz dealerships in the country. So yeah, we're gonna walk inside. They got some heat in here. Just wait. Demonology is on his way. He ain't made it to the hotel yet, so I figured I'd kill some time and come over here. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. It's some heat in here, boy. For real, for real. Y'all ain't gonna understand all these cars that's in here. It's some serious stuff. Remember last time they had the Rolls Royce? They got another one over here. Yeah. Whew. Man, every time I come down here, I gotta give y'all a little taste. First of all, let me let y'all check old school out. What's up, man? Woo. A 280 SE. Look at this right here. Hubcaps and steel rims and hubcaps. And it's a stick shift, guys. Look at this. Oh, look at the white steering wheel. This is crazy, man. See the chrome around the wheels? Look at that big front end on that thing. Boy, that's nasty. But guys, look at this. Ooh, ooh. Rolls Royce, boy. Ghost. Look at the black rims, the big floating caps. Y'all see the Rolls Royce right there. Got the tan interior, y'all see it. Oh, it's already sold. Y'all see what they do? Yes, sir. Look at this thing. Woo. Black door handles, black door locks, black rims. See the concave? They staggered, guys. See the concave on that one? That's the back rim. And see the front rim? Yeah, staggered on the Ghost. Duh. That's blacked out. The windows blacked out. Yes, crazy. Look at this. Look at the back trim. The back trim's blacked out too. Oh, that is flat nasty. Whoa, look what we got next to it. G-Wagon and Nardo Gray. Oh, this is nasty too. Oh, look at the red gut. Oh, look at the steering wheel, guys. Oh, that's nasty. Look at that big screen all the way across. Man. Light up door seals. This thing is nasty. Even the back tire cover is Nardo Gray. It's a G550. Look at this. I've never seen a G-Wagon this color. Let me see how much, guys. We gotta see how much. 159,000. 2021 G550. Ain't this thing nice, y'all? Wow, that's crazy. Look at the wood grain right there on that, and the wood grain on the steering wheel is just stupid. It's right there in the doors too. This is crazy. Wow, that's nice. They got another one over here, the same one. Red guts. But see, this one doesn't have the big bar. See, that's the difference between the two. This one got the big bar in the front, and this one doesn't. They got the lower bar. I like the lower bar better. Y'all see that Mercedes-Benz M? This thing nasty too, boy. Same color. It's two of them. He got red guts too. It's two identical trucks except the rims are different. We got another Benz over here. Man, they got some heat up in here. For real, for real. Got this boy right here. Ooh, I like this too. It's a lot of nice Benzes in here. Look at the screen though, guys. Oof. What models is? Oh, this the GLE 350. Y'all see it. Got the tow hitch already on it. I'm getting to the good ones, guys. I'm getting to the good ones. Like I say, every time I come down to Memphis, I always stop by here and holler at my people. Woo. Got a little small one there. Now we get to the heat. Guys, look at this. Now this is crazy. GT3 RS. You see the color? Woo. Yellow. Brake calipers. RS in the wheels. Let me see how much. Whoa, look at the price, guys. It's a 19. 315,000. It's called Lizard Green. Look at the carbon fiber roof and the big carbon fiber spoiler. Wow. Y'all see the GTRS and the exhaust in the middle. Y'all see that Porsche right there? Look, I'm gonna let y'all see. You got the Porsche across the top of the spoiler. This nasty, but wait a minute, guys. Wait. Here we go. Look at this beast right here. This the Black Series GT. Eesh. Look at that wing and its arrow too. You see? It moves. Look at this. Look at the exhaust. Look at the diffuser. That's crazy. Look at the size of the exhaust. This is crazy. All this carbon fiber at the bottom of it. Look at this. Look at the side skirts. Carbon fiber. I know this thing got to be up. Look at this. Carbon fiber. The little lip right there, carbon fiber. Lip on the other side, carbon fiber. Carbon fiber insert. Wow. Carbon fiber mirrors. This thing, look at the vents and the fenders. This is crazy, guys. Ooh-wee. Let me see the price. Y'all see it. What's that say? 337,000. 2021 Mercedes AMG GT Black Series. That's nasty. I'm gonna pan back and let y'all just see that thing. Oh my goodness. Is that crazy or what? And also, what's that say? Oh, they got a Porsche Taycan up in here too. I like this. This is all electric, guys. Carbon fiber side skirts. It's all electric. Look at the wheels. Y'all see it. This is nasty too. Ooh, I like this. Y'all see the Porsche inside the lights right there. Wow. That's nasty, man. That's just flat nasty. Let me see how much this thing is. I know this a bag. 212,000. I don't know if y'all can see it. That's not bad. All blacked out. Got the full panoramic roof. Ooh-wee. Now that's nice, guys. How many guys you guys seen a Porsche Taycan in person?
You already done that.
No.
Yeah, that's bad.
All right.
That's heat, as Josh would say. Got another Benz. Ooh, I like this one too. Look at the front of this thing. Wow. They say 15,000 off. Look at the interior. Ooh, that's nice. This a big boy right here, I do believe. Let me see. Yep. S560. 4MATIC. And this where we at. Mercedes-Benz at Collierville, Tennessee. Man. Ooh-wee. This is nice, boy. Look at the inside. You got the brown contrasting right there. Got the wood grain right there. You got the wood grain on there. Look at that big screen, guys. That's a whole screen right there. Got the tote seats. That is so nasty, boy. Woo! Let me pan back and let y'all get the full ambiance. That's bad. But every time I come up here, they got heat. They got another one over here. This one nice too. Look how aggressive that front end is on this thing. This is that same car. Look like it. Same interior. Oh no, look at this one. Look at the seats in this one. Okay, okay, I see you, I see you. Different wheels. No lip spoiler. It's a S500. Okay. 4MATIC 2. Okay, okay. Oh, wait a minute. Hold it, guys. Let me show you the screen. This crazy. Mercedes and stepped their game up. They're trying to get like Tesla now. See how that pop out? Look, look. They got that screen there, and then they got the full other screen right there. Y'all see it? But look at that big boy. Ew. Let me see how much this one is. This one 113,000. 22 S500. But look at the seats. Look how ergonomic the seats are. See, they go up. They got a hump in them. Boy, 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 this is nasty, boy. Soft closed doors, and watch the door handle go in. Watch the door handle go in. It's gonna go in a minute. Man, that's crazy. Wow. I like that. That screen is crazy. Hey, drop in the comments and let me know what you think about that doggone, the big screen in there. That is crazy, boy. Yes, sir. But yeah, look at the door handles. I forgot how you get them to go in, but they pop out. That's nasty. Yep. We're gonna walk outside. They got some more heat out here. And then we're gonna end this. This is a little short video, man. Oh, Maybach. Look at the Maybach, guys. Look at the Maybach. Are you Maybach people? Ooh. Maybach S560. Look at this thing. Woo. Yeah, that's heat. Oh. Look at the Maybach emblem. Boy, that is nasty. Got an S580 out here. Y'all see the door handles, how they flush with the car until you get ready to open it. This nice too. Yeah, look at that front. They got some nice stuff up here. Got a G-Wagon right there. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. They just sold it. A blacked out GT63S. CJ, look at this, boy. This the color you wanted. You wanted that matte gray. Look at it. Look at the arrow wing. Ooh, now that's nasty. Oh, look at that. With that gray matte paint. That's ridiculous right there, boy. Wow. Yeah, this is where we at, guys. At the Mercedes-Benz of Collierville. Every time I come to Memphis, I always come out here and holler at them real quick. That's where we at, right there. And you see old girl posted up. Y'all see old girl posted up right under the sign, man. Yeah, buddy. Y'all see that Mercedes-Benz sign up there? Yeah, I had to come up here for a few minutes, man, and holler at my people, man. It's one of the biggest Mercedes-Benz dealerships in the country. Got a lot of stuff out here. I'm just giving y'all a quick look. This is just a quick little video, man. Yep. Got another big boy right there. But that right there is nasty. Ooh. That's nasty. Got Benzes rolling around. Ooh, that one. Ooh, look at that one. With the high seats in it. They got a lot of cars out here. This is a 550. Look at the rims. I love the rims. Chrome. Most Benzes don't have chrome rims on. Yeah, this is a 560. Yeah, I'm outside now. I'm gonna let y'all see a little bit of what they got going on. This is 2020. Full panel roof. This is a S550, 52.9. Hey guys, if you think you want a Benz, call up Collierville Mercedes in Collierville, Tennessee. Let me see what the price on this one is. This is a 15 S550. They got all the big boys out here. 43,000 miles. Y'all see it. Oh, it got the brown interior. Okay. We got another one over here. Another 550. 45,000. 111,000. But don't look like it got 111,000 on it, do it? Nope. Wow. They got a 2017. 62,000. Got a lot of, I told you they got a lot of cars out here. 2015 S-Class 550. Nice. Oh, they got a little bitty one. Now this one nice. I drive this right here. Oh, this a 21 E-Class AMG. Almost 100,000 for this one. They got 10,000 miles on. Windows blacked out, full panel roof. Look at the exhaust. Y'all see that AMG badge right there? Oh, this is a E53. Okay, E53 AMG. Wow. Ooh, we got two more bad boys to show you. Oh, look at this right here. Look at this Bentley. Yeah. I don't know what year this is, but this boy nasty, boy. Ooh. V12 coupe. Man. Y'all see that big B right there? Y'all know what it is. Oh, that's nasty. And right next to it, we got that Bentayga. Yes, sir. Bentayga, nasty too. Y'all see it. 2017 Bentayga. White door handles. This is nice too. Ooh, look at them big exhaust tips. Wow. This is beautiful. Let me see how much they want for it. 189,000, guys. It's a 2017 with 2,675 miles. Oh, look at the interior. It got the dark dash and the light and the it's not peanut butter. I call it NBA basketball guts. That's nasty. Oh, oh. Let me let y'all see that. The whole thing. Oh, that is nice, guys. Woo. Hey, drop in the comments and let me know which car you like the best of all the cars that I showed you. And let me know which car you like the best. So yeah. That's just a little quick tour because it's starting to rain. I'm getting ready to go back to the hotel because Demonology should be touching down probably about 6 o'clock, he said. So we're gonna hang out in the lobby because the testing tune actually got rained out because it's actually raining right now. So yeah, that's it. Yep, that's where we at. Mercedes-Benz of Collierville. I gotta show you this matte paint 63S one more time because I ain't never seen one this color before. This is crazy, right? I like this. It just sold too. Got that matte paint on it. GT63S. But that black edition one is really bad. Yeah, guys. This that GT63S. Yeah, CJ. Boy, if you had got this color, man, you'd have been clowning. But that's all right. You still got a bad whip, bro. Yep. Hey guys, I'm gonna end this video right now, and I'll get back to you with some more stuff. Probably tonight, cause we're gonna hang out in the hotel lobby and stuff, and whatever else we're gonna do, cause the testing tune got rained out. I'll get back with y'all in the next one, and just like that, this video is over. Peace.